Hi everyone, Kate here, and today I will be creating a hairstyle based roughly on a set of instructions from a 1923 hairdressing book, and also inspired by this style as worn by the silent film actress Lucy Cotton. Now, the original plan was actually to recreate a Mary Pickford half updo, but it has been so hot and humid lately, and my hair has been curling in a rather unpredictable manner. I could tell things were just not going to plan as I took out the curlers. Now, I opted to use the same setting pattern I outlined in my Mary Pickford video series a while back. I like this set as it gives waves at the top plus ringlets at the bottom. When doing this particular set, each section of hair is wrapped 3 times around a replica kid curler, and then the ends that are left over are rolled up with another curler so that there is a total of 2 curlers per curl. I did this for all the curlers along the top of my head, but I opted for a single curler along the bottom row, with some space in between, to make sleeping and things a little bit more comfortable. Not that it was super comfy, but it was better than it could have been. What even is that? I know my hair well enough to know this type of set does not normally result in whatever this look is. Luckily for me, I had a backup plan. Early 1920s styles can be made sleek and sculptural, but they also work just as well when your hair is a bit on the frizzy side. To create this early 20s do, I started by loosening up the top waves with my fingers. I then changed my part so that it hangs down softly over the forehead. The trick to many of these early 1920s hairstyles is to arrange and pin the hair around the ears before starting with the actual updo. Once I was happy with the way it was sitting, I gathered up the back hair into a loose ponytail. Next, I divided the ponytail into 2 even sections. Each section was twisted to form a coil, leaving a few inches of curl at the end untouched. When the 2 sections had both been twisted, I twisted them again around each other. Now you can get different looks using this technique depending on which direction you twist the sections. I just wanted a fairly loose curly do, so I wasn't too worried about how perfect my twist was. Let this coiled hair drape down slightly below the ponytail elastic, and then fold it back up so it sits just above the starting point. The elastic should be completely covered by the hair. Pin this arrangement in place, leaving the ends free at the top of the do. These ends can be left in several ringlets, as Miss Cotton has, or smoothed down into 2 curls as done in the book. I tried to opt for the latter. This is probably a lot easier to do on someone else's hair, but the benefit of a slightly messy curly do like this is that it doesn't matter too much if the arrangement isn't perfect. I thought the style actually looked a bit better in person, and it wears really well. I always like styles that can get messier and more relaxed with time, and look just as good, if not better. Well, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! This video is made possible through the generous support of my Patreon members. Thank you.